On the off chance that you're searching for the Theta organization value expectation or finding the capability of the Theta coin, this value gauge can be useful for you. Our Theta coin cost gauge depends on a profound specialized examination and the previous presentation of Theta organization. Here we will attempt to examine the capability of Theta organization in the long haul. Theta is a blockchain-fueled network reason worked for Web3 Blockchain Foundation for Video, Media and Diversion. The Theta organization works as a decentralized organization in which clients share data transmission and processing assets on a distributed P2P premise. Theta is a local digital currency badge of Theta organization, which performs various kinds of administration errands inside the organization. The genuine use instances of the Theta organization make Theta coin a promising task in the long haul. As one of the most well-known blockchain projects, Theta is dealing with numerous drives. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Theta coin is recorded in premium trades like Binance. With new postings on famous trades and the reaction from financial backers, Theta coin might soar in the forthcoming months. Since its day for kickoff, Theta has shown broad development in the crypto market. Theta token has given an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2021. When it hits another AF level, Theta costs energize to an unsurpassed high. $15.90 in April 2021. From that point forward, Theta has been showing a negative presentation. According to our examination, the costs of Theta will keep on filling in the following 10 years by outperforming $50 in 2030. As all cryptos are showing negative development this year, Theta's exhibition has been additionally impacted adversely. There are solid prospects that the following bull run might assist Theta with recuperating some worth in 2023. Theta organization value expectation 2023. As all cryptos are down in 2023, Theta coin's presentation can be slow this year. Theta has extraordinary potential on the off chance that you will hold it as long as possible. According to our Theta token cost expectation, it can arrive at a greatest value level of $3.18 by 2023. Notwithstanding, the typical cost of Theta can be around $2.73, assuming current development proceeds. What's more, on the off chance that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of a Theta can be down up to $1.54. In the following bull rally, the costs of Theta might flood more than our drawn-out Theta cost forecast. Theta organization value forecast 2024. There are solid prospects that Theta can get again its situation, assuming there is any certain climate on the lookout. According to our cost figure, the cost of Theta can hit a normal value level of the $5.29 mark by 2024. The year can end with a most extreme cost of $7.62. On the off chance that there is any bullish occasion,